Alright, this is a Toro Timemaster lawnmower of my neighbor's. It was a happy birthday gift to him from yours truly, anyway. We have a problem with the cable. I guess he got it hung on something and he wants me to fix it. So I'm going to remove the cover and take a look at it. Please join me. I got an 8mm deep well socket. Okay. Okay, sorry, I have a radio on, some people out of California, and they're kind of funny. 1, 2, these are nuts with take a look. We can see where she broke. So I'll see if I can get her fixed. Okay. Look at that. Guessed right first time. This is a T25. Okay, number 1, this appears to spin. To remove it, you spin it in the off position. So, in other words, it would normally be screwing down. It's a left-handed thread, and there's nothing saying it's a left-handed thread, but it is. Okay, you can see the mechanism and device right there. This is a left-handed screw. Sure doesn't look that way, but that's the way it came out. Here's the old rope part. I pulled the unit off and I'm setting it here. I'm going to go cut this rope and then feed it all back down. That'll be next. I'll probably move forward because you all don't really need to see this. And again, I sure hope I can get all this caught for you, but okay, so there, we have it. I'm going to get this on order. Now I'll set this on so the Briggs and Stratton looks nice. Okay, so there you have it. There we go. Oh, by the way, this has electric start. So he never uses it, but he messed up and pulled it and the motor started or something. But I need to get the parts on order and get this video uploaded.